Poo-poo.
What are you doing down there?
Daddy.
Huh? What is on your shoe?
Shoo-shoo.
What's on your shoe?
Say poo-poo.
What?
Shoo-shoo.
Shoe what?
Say poo-poo.
Michael, you can do it. What's on your shoe?
Shoo-shoo.
What is it?
Mm.
Tell Mama. No, what's on your shoe? Boo-boo. Where'd you get the boo-boo from?
Daddy.
Chicken.
Daddy? No, I don't think you got it from Daddy. Is it chickens? Chickens?
Say eat it, Ashy.
Did you get that from the chickens? Wesley? What happened? Chicken what?
Chicken poo-poo.
Chicken, What did they do to your shoe? What?
Poo-poo.
What did they do to it? Daddy what? Daddy, what did Daddy do? What did he do?
Poo.
What did Daddy do, Wes? What did he do? What did the chickens do? Chickens? What did the chickens do?
Say eat it, Ashy.
No, Michael, don't talk like that, Michael.
No.
Tell Michael, no, Michael. No.
Say poo-poo. Ew.
What's on your shoe, Wes? What's on your shoe, Wes? Shoe, Daddy's on your shoe? Wes? Wesley? Wesley?
Poo-poo. Ew.
Hey, Wesley. Wesley, answer me. What's on your shoe? What?
You poo-poo.
What did you say to me? Owie what? Where'd you get the owie? Where did you get the owie?
Say knife. Say knife. Say
Wesley?
bubble. Here, let's get him. Say bubble. Say boat. Say cat. Say dog. Dog. Say dog. Say rock. Say man. Say dog. Say
What's on your shoe?
right here.
What's on your shoe?
Poo-poo.
What is that? It's what?
Say horse.
What is that, Wes?
Boat.
Wes, what's on your shoe? A boat? There's no boats on your shoe.
Say bear. Bear.
Michael, I'm trying to get him to answer me.
That's what's on his shoe.
Wesley, tell Mama what's on the bottom of your shoe.
What's there? What is that?
What is that? What is that? Don't touch it. Tell me what it is. Yeah, but what is it? From what? Where'd it come from? That's on the shoe, but where'd it come from? Wesley! Wesley!
Say cow.
No, not cow.
Say pig.
Say chicken.
Say chicken. Say pig.
Are you choking yourself with a sock?
Cow. Pig. Pig.
Wesley, what's your name?
Cow. Say Wessie. Ooh. Say eat it, Wessie.
Michael, get your finger in his belly button.
Say eat it, Wessie. Eat it.
No.
Say eat it, Ashley. Not
Say, Michael, stick it up your nose. Say, stick up your nose, Michael.
Say, Ashley, eat it, Ashley. Say, no, Emmy.
Ooh, you're
Say,
bad.
no, Emmy.
Ooh.
Say, Raven, no.
Wesley, are you cute? Yes, you are.
Say, Raven. Say,
Wesley.
No, Raven.
Wesley, can you dance? Can you dance?
Use music.
Yes? How good are you?
Want to make music? Dance?
Want to dance? Get up and dance for Mom.
Get up and dance.
Get up and dance. Come on.
Get up and dance.
Get up and boogie for Mom.
Oh, can't have socks on. Go ahead, dance.
Get up
Boogie.
and dance.
Want some music?
Make some music, Michael. Sing Old MacDonald.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm. Stand up.
Come on,
Stand
dance.
up and dance.
Dance for me.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm.
Come on, dance.
He needs real music.
Dance for me.
Want real music?
Turn on the music real quick.
Okay, come here. Come over here. Let's have real music.
Come in here and dance with me.
There you go. Here's a good song. Dance.
Come on.
Dance.
Can you dance? Can you do more than that?
Bend knees.
Come on, dance for me.
Can you real music?
Dance, Wes. Come on, say music, come on. Say music, hurry up. Where you going? Slick.
Hey, go.
Take him back over there, Michael.
Here, you want to show Mommy the names of the book?
No, I want him to dance for me.
Hold on a second. Say turtle.
Wesley. Wesley. Okay, let him go. Dance for me.
Stand up.
Michael, find some music.
Music done.
Oops. Go get the phone. Go get the phone. Run, get the phone. Hurry. Hurry.
We're videotaping Wesley dancing. Here she is.
Hello? Hi.
You ready?
Yeah, Wesley's dancing.
Ready?
Well, I just wanted to ask you some questions. Dance, Wes. Come on, dance. I'm trying to get him on video here. Come on, boogie. Dance. Yeah, that's what I need. My batteries have gone dead, so and I've got a plug-in thing on mine, and I can plug it in there. Dance, Wes. But what I was trying to do is find out what day on this Ridgecrest show that I had to enter the dogs in. If it was supposed to be Saturday or Sunday, but I called Letty and talked to her, and she said that they're probably gonna send you a thing showing what day it'll be.
Bubble.
So, cause one,
Bubble.
do you? Well, see, it lists Rottweilers for both days, Saturday and Sunday, and I didn't know which day would be the 6 to 9 puppy class or. Right.
Angelfish. 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 Horsey. Horse.
Hi guys.
You know your mail's gonna get to you come snow, rain, sleet, or hail. 'Cause I'm the top flight, hold you tight, get you there by daylight. Do you ride overnight mail? Oh, hold it now. Oh,
Hey, come back here.
buddies. That's great. That's great. Well, thank you, man.
It's just not exactly. It's not exactly what I had in mind. It's just
What's not?
It just needs. Wes. It just needs more